The law of attraction is absolutely real. It took me from broke to making 10k a month within just a few weeks. How? Well, you need to know a few things first. You see, your mind is divided into two parts. You have the conscious mind and you have the subconscious mind. And whatever is impressed on your subconscious mind will come true. Okay, so how do you actually impress your goal onto your subconscious mind? Here's how. You think, feel, and act like your goal is already done. Why? Because this puts you in the right vibration to attract whatever you need to make your goal happen. Okay, cool. So what steps can we take to actually manifest your goal? You can visualize, you can do meditations, you can say affirmations, but my favorite method was taught to me by my mentor, Bob Proctor. Simply get a piece of card, write down on that card, I am so happy and grateful now that I'm effortlessly earning 10k a month or 100k a month or whatever you want, and then keep reading that piece of card over and over and over again. And what will happen is your subconscious mind will start to believe you, and when it does, you'll become richer faster than you could ever imagine. And if you want to learn more about manifesting, check out this video on screen now.